Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I crossed to USA using the newest Gordie Howe International Bridge. So I'm gonna describe the entire process that happened with me, and I'm gonna show you as it captured on my dash cam. So here I am approaching the bridge. Okay, it's through Windsor. So make sure you follow your Google map. Before you even enter the bridge, you will go through the toll counters. Okay, you need to follow which lanes are open, which are not. Okay, right now you are still in Canadian side, and you are approaching these counters. Okay, well, to be honest, this was my first time, so I was confused these with immigration counters. I thought these are immigration counters, but no, these are toll counters. See, it's open. All tolls was written over there. These are manned, and there's a tapping machine outside too. So when I told the attendant that actually I thought she was an immigration officer, she also laughed. But anyway, I think I was charged around $8 something. I don't remember exactly, but you can just tap and pay. It's pretty simple, and then this gate opens, and you are on your way. Yeah, see, it get open and you are on your way. Okay, now there'll be speed limits because this is an international border, so don't breach any speed limit. Instead, follow it. So now you are approaching. Follow all the signs, everything. Some lanes will be closed, some lanes will be open, so just keep following. So you see that suspension, we are reaching that part. Now we are entering the bridge. It's a very beautiful bridge. I really love it. I have used Ambassador Bridge too, but yeah, this one was better, to be honest, guys. And it was not crowded at all. See, one more car is going. Just see the sign as you saw. You see one more signboard is coming, like green one. You can go, and even in green one, some signs will be for truck, some signs for car, and some signs for both of these. So why to break any rule? Just follow whatever they say. Wow, see how beautiful this suspension bridge is. Don't worry, I won't stop you during the immigration wait. Instead, at that time I'll just fast forward. When you wait in the car for clearing the queue. But this is excellent. And in our phone, the message had come: "Welcome to the United States of America." I have USA roaming included, so there was no problem at all. I would never recommend you do overspeeding here because this is an international border. So speed that's posted there, follow. Wow, you see how amazing it has been built, and see the trucks, cars coming from the other side. Still, we haven't reached the immigration counter. But don't worry, we'll reach there soon. Tell me, guys, what do you feel about this? Okay, again, you're gonna see the follow the lanes, which lane to follow, the lane indicators. Follow the indicators. And guys, keep your tank full because when I went, immigration queue was not long. But what if the queue is long? So it's good idea to have enough fuel or enough charging if you're going through an electric vehicle. Now almost there. You see this? We are entering now. Again, you can go to any counter whichever is accessible and accepting the type of vehicle you are in. Most of these will be car for car. Some of these, one will be for Nexus, and some for large vehicle like buses. So make sure you sell it. Remember one thing: shortest doesn't mean always. Okay, now I stood in the line, and now I'm going to the immigration counter. So let me tell you the whole process that we had gone. Okay, so first of all, I handed over the passports. Then I was asked where I was going, then what's the purpose, how many days, and where I'll be staying. These were the immigration questions. Next, thoroughly questions were asked for what I'm carrying, like if I'm carrying any fruits or something that I have declared. They asked me what's inside the trunk. I explained everything very carefully. Then when I said the place name, I said the city, but USA is like so many cities, so the officer there wasn't sure of the city. Then I had to explain the state where I was going. Then she agreed. Yeah, that's fine, because like even same name cities can be there in multiple states too. So definitely for a human being it may not be possible. Okay, so here she asked these questions, and then after this I was allowed to go. This time it took longest, maybe 2 3 minutes. Okay, you saw the time, right? There was no much. And then again you have to follow the sign. It's toward the right side. You see that car is going. I'm also gonna follow the same path. So yes, and then just follow your map and exit. Next to that, there were some officers too who were randomly selecting or whatever reason selecting for secondary inspection. If you're selected, follow those officers. Okay, I was allowed to go in. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.